There's something that law school never teaches you. It's how to actually deal with the real money that your clients will be spending on you. One interesting thing is you'll learn very quickly clients rarely want to spend, especially just random run of the mill clients, they don't want to spend $300 an hour or anything like that. And not only that, but those contracts that you want them to sign that really favor you, some of the smart ones would be very careful and cross out anything that they don't think is really appealing to them, because they know that you don't have much bargaining power after law school. Whereas in law school, they give you the impression you're a big shot. You're going to be charging a fortune. Your clients are really going to be willing to pay a lot of money. In reality, that's not the case unless you work for a big firm. The other thing is they don't really tell you that most of, how in law school they try to encourage you to believe that the other side is going to try to be somewhat professional. No, most of them, a lot of them are not very professional. They'll just bring up ridiculous arguments. They'll scream at you. They'll use profanities. And oftentimes they make it very personal, even though it's not even your case. You're representing your client, but these attorneys apparently don't have the same view. Some of them, you almost wonder if they actually think they've taken a personal stake in the case, because they made it really very personal. That happens quite often. The other thing is you'll find some attorneys are just extremely random. They just will not even show up to even debate you, or they'll call you in the middle of the night and say that they want a deal. And sometimes you kind of wonder, why are they so random? Why do they seem as though there's a screw loose somewhere? So I think one problem with the law is that while they're teaching you all these rules of perpetuities and things of that sort, they're not giving you any kind of clear idea what it's like on a day-to-day basis to actually deal with real people and real cases. Even if you work for a federal judge, which is considered very prestigious, that actually is not really practice in terms of what to expect in terms of how to relate to people. Some people don't know how to relate to people. They don't know what to say, or they don't know what kind of questions to ask. Oftentimes, if you're working in a judge's chambers, you're not going to really gain that kind of experience anyway. So, in closing, I think as a law student out there, it's very very important to work for attorney and probably a 1 to 5 person law firm. I think those probably are quite good in terms of giving you a better understanding of how to deal with clients and the very unusual people that you'll be dealing with.